Are you facing a tough time hiding your dark circles? Hi, this is Zaima. This video is about balancing out skin issues like dark circles, redness, dark spots, dullness, and bruises with the help of LA Girl Pro Concealer or any other color correcting concealer. Color correcting is using colors that are directly opposite in the color spectrum to cancel out the look of skin discoloration. For example, green is opposite in the color wheel from red, so it's perfect for hiding any redness on your face like pimples and acne scars. Orange is opposite from blue. If you have dark circles, orange will help conceal the uneven undertones. Orange neutralizes dark circles and dark spots along with acne scars for medium to deep skin tones. Green is opposite to red in the color wheel, so it's perfect for hiding any redness on your face like pimples and acne scars. Green neutralizes redness, acne, and rosacea for medium to dark skin tones. Cool pink neutralizes dark circles, dark spots, and acne scars for fair and light skin tones. Light yellow corrects sunken under eyes, dullness, and brightens the skin for fair skin tones. Reddish neutralizes dark spots, acne scars, and dark circles for dark skin and deep skin tones. Lavender neutralizes yellow undertones and sallow skin for fair to medium skin tones. Peach also neutralizes acne scars, dark spots, and dark circles, but for light or medium skin. Yellow neutralizes purple or blue undertones. It is for medium and dark skin tones. Yellow color correcting concealer can be used to cover up any blemish that's purple in tone. Bruises, veins, and under eye circles that are purple can also be hidden with a yellow spot concealer. Mint neutralizes redness or orange tints such as acne marks, rosacea, and sunburns for fair or light skin tones. Flat white lightens and neutralizes any concealer shade of LA Girl Pro Concealers. I have added the link to these shades in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Goodbye.